What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the Intimidator spoiler, and then right here I also have some black vinyl because I think I'm going to be wrapping the roof black, but I just got a roll of gloss black from Vivid, so I'm not too sure yet if I'm going to still be doing that, but yeah, basically today's video I'm going to be painting the Intimidator spoiler and throwing that on the truck, so let's get it unboxed. Alright guys, so here it is. It basically goes around the top of the tailgate like this, and then it'll screw in right here, 4 screws, some double-sided tape. Eventually I am going to get it filled in with like some Bondo and do all the body work for that, but yeah. And then these are the bed corners that match up like that on the end of the bed. So let's get this thing prepped and ready for paint, spray it up, and then throw it onto the truck. Alright guys, so I just finished up the paint on the Intimidator spoiler. This is just the first coat. I'm starting to go back, wet sand it, then I'm gonna do a full layer of clear coat, but it's turned out pretty good so far. And then I still gotta do the little bed corners, but yeah, so I'm gonna let this dry up, then I'll wet sand it again, throw down a layer of clear, and then it'll be all ready to go back onto the truck. Here's the new flip kit. It's a powder coated kit. It's pretty nice. Right now I'm having to grind off the U-bolts because they're pretty rust welded on there. I couldn't get them off, so I got this wheel off for better access, but I'm about to grind off that U-bolt, run to the store and get some new ones, and I'll get started with putting on the new flip kit and all of that.
Street.